Ladies and gentlemen, our leaders, Mr. Partha Banerjee, Mr. Deep Jyoti Mehta, Mr. Yogesh Gupta, doing the honors of the flag of ceremony. Yes, can we say Suzuki Vitara, hip hip, hooray, hip hip, hooray, hip hip, hooray, Hyderabad goes electric. This is the flag of ceremony happening right here. What a beauty, what a beauty. Look at the vehicle, ladies and gentlemen. This is fabulous. Yes, e-Vitara, a car which combines the advanced EV technology with the powerful capability of an SUV. And don't forget that it's tech loaded as well. Amazing. And look at the wheels. It looks super. The flag of ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, is happening right now. And 108. Thanks to Maruti Suzuki. Yes, Hyderabad is going to be. It is indeed a global city. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have all the electric cars here in Hyderabad. Thanks to Maruti Suzuki. 108 already. The dealer members to also please join in. Yes, other dealer members, please, I request you to please join in and help in the flag. This is Maruti Suzuki's first electric car, the e-Vitara. And we are witnessing the flag of ceremony. 108 e-Vitaras on the Hyderabad roads. We will be witnessing that, ladies and gentlemen. What a revolution in Hyderabad, brought to you by Maruti Suzuki. And you can see all the happy faces of our customers inside the car. Yes, we truly value.
Hi, good evening. Namaskaram ji. My name is Partha Banerjee. I am the head of marketing and sales for Maruti Suzuki. Today happens to be a great day for the Maruti Suzuki. We are going to today deliver 108 vehicles e-Vitara from the city Hyderabad, which happens to have the highest EV penetration across the country. Very proud moment for us. The e-Vitara has got a stupendous response from the customers of Hyderabad. Thank you so much for your kind support.
What is the best features on upcoming vehicle, sir?
See, this vehicle e-Vitara is a vehicle which has been designed on a purely e-borne platform, having a range of 543 km, is having the highest safety standard of 7 airbags, not 6 but 7, has been rated 5-star by the BNCAP. Very plush interiors, having the ADAS system, state of art, I would say the entertainment system which we are having in this product, and obviously the styling part of it is amazing. And in the global markets also, The response has been very good. Be it on the roads of UK, Japan, it's rocking.
So what is the features in the updated vehicle? What is the features in the vehicle, EV vehicles?
I just shared that actually.
Sir, the Maruti Suzuki started a battery as a service with e-Vitara. So how's the appreciation from the Hyderabad people particularly?
Battery as a service is an option given to the customer that if they want the battery on leasing, that can be also be provided. We are seeing a good response of the bus also. However, more than 85% of the inquiries which are coming, the customer prefers to go for the total vehicle purchase.
Great, sir. Sir, as a marketing sales manager, you know Maruti Suzuki doing this fantastic at the marketing or the numbers, whatever there. So what are you expecting in the next 6 months or what are you expecting in the next 2 years?
Last year was a good year for the auto industry. There are tailwinds which are there. So we are expecting that the tailwind continue in this financial year also.
So finally, what you are going to expect from the audience?
Through your channels, I would like to thank the viewers of Hyderabad city for their tremendous support to Maruti Suzuki once again. That there were many products in the market, but they waited for our product, our brand. So thank you so much, and looking forward for your love and cooperation in the times to come also.